Tara, we've not taken a video of you, Miss Leggy. Tara, hi. Are you camera shy, Tara? You look like you're camera shy. Ooh, you are camera shy. Who else is here? Yuki. Hey, Yuki. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Who's that? Hi, Sasha. Who else is that? Hey, Jen. That's your favorite corner, isn't it? Jen Jen. Hi, baby. Sasha. Hey, who's that? Mr. Leon. Leon had a haircut already. Now he's so clean and nice. Huh, Leon? Leon boy? Hello. Hey, Yuki. Now who else is there? Woo. Hey, Sol. Hi, Sol. And Coco is bathing now. Is that all? Is that all our friends here? Yes. Sol. There's Leon boy. There's Kyo. Hey, no, Kyo. Oh yeah, where's Kyo? That's Yuki. Kyo, where are you? Kyo. Oh, there's Kyo. Kyo and Yuki. Hi, Kyo. Kyo. Hi, Tweety. Hello. Give a big smile. Smile for the camera. Kyo. Good girl. Hey, Tara. Hi. Tara. Tara camera shy. And Leon is not camera shy. Jen, what you doing, Jen? Jen. Hey. Jen. The camera wants to see your face, not your butt. Jen. Ah. Hello? Mr. Saw, sitting on your throne. Huh? Don't want to move. Eh? Huh? Sorry. The two boys. Oh my goodness, that was a big yawn. Alrighty.